Hey guys, today let's make ragi peanut laddu which has lots and lots of health benefits from kids to the adults. So without any delay we'll start the process. For this, heat a pan, add some peanuts. It is around 1/4 cup of peanuts. Once the peanuts are roasted well, add some 1/4 cup of white sesame seeds and roast for 1 minute. In this I am adding 2 cardamoms so that it will enhance the taste of the laddu. Now grind it in a pulse mode. Don't grind it continuously, the peanuts will lose its oil. Now take a bowl, add 1 cup of ragi flour, and a pinch of salt. Mix with by adding very little water. Don't add the entire water at a time, add little by little. Until it forms like a sticky dough. These laddus are very good for growing kids and even for new moms, and if you have irregular periods, these laddus are enriched with calcium. This is super healthy food. My grandma used to make. Here take a pan and spread some oil or ghee and spread the dough as shown in the video. So this is the reason we have made the dough somewhat sticky, so that we can easily spread it on the pan. If you feel like the dough is dry, you can even add some more water. Here while frying, if it gets break also, don't worry. Just you have to fry it well, both the sides, by adding some ghee. Take in the plate. So likewise, you have to fry all the ragi chapatis. So while spreading on the pan, be careful because the pan is heated. Fry it on a medium flame so that it will get cooked inside also. If you cook it on high flame, then you may not be able to digest it because inside the ragi roti will be raw. So take the grinded powder in a bowl and let the ragi chapatis becomes little bit warm. Don't grind it when it is hot. Once it becomes warm, then only you have to grind it in a pulse mode. Don't grind it continuously. So break the chapatis as shown in the video into small pieces and then grind it so that it will get grinded easily. So this is the perfect consistency. Now take this also into the bowl. Now mix these two with your hand. Gently mix it, don't press it. Now add 3/4 cup of jaggery powder. For 1 cup of ragi flour, we have to add 3/4 cup of jaggery powder. Now gently mix with your hand. Now Add this mixture in the mixer grinder and grind it. So that our jaggery will get mixed in the ragi mixture nicely. This is very healthy laddus. I am sure your kids and your entire family going to love it. So after grinding, our mixture will look like this. Now take this into the bowl. So here no need of applying any ghee or oil to our hands. We can easily make the laddus. So this is very healthy laddus. If you eat only once per day also, you can get lots and lots of calcium, iron. Even it helps in increasing the iron levels in your body. So if you find any jaggery lumps in that, you can remove it. Now make laddus out of this mixture. See how nicely it is grinded. Now add some white sesame seeds. Already we have added some sesame seeds while grinding into a powder. Now just for taste we are adding some more sesame seeds so that we feel crunchy while eating the laddus. So now make laddus. These laddus you can store in airtight container for 1 week to 10 days. It won't get spoiled. It tastes so yummy. You also try it your home. Let me know in the comment. Thank you. Thanks for watching.